Alright, so hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to keep working on our little JobFinder project. First of all, thank you for all of your support. I see tremendous growth of my YouTube channel these past few months, so really appreciate all of you. Appreciate all of you guys for that. And another thing is Happy New Year, no matter where you are. 2021 now, still need to get used to write 2021 when I'm doing like different stuff, but well, 2021's here. All right, let's go back to our project. What we're gonna do is we're gonna keep implementing our chatting feature between the candidates and the hiring manager. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this bubbly. I found it somewhere. I think this is gonna work, so we'll just try it out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this and this. So on the left, it represents clients, the applicant. On the right, it represents the HR. All right, let's go add a style here then. So we're gonna copy these. All right, here you're gonna see speech bubble left. All right, so left is the client. Oops. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna check if m.fromID is not equals to request the user ID. Then that means from the candidates. So then it's gonna be toward the left, which then can create a div, give a class called speech bubble left. Ending here, we can just say m.message. Alright, it doesn't show up now because we need an else here. So let's go ahead and choose this now. I'll copy this. I'm pretty sure they don't have dramatic differences, but for the sake of simplicity, I'm just gonna copy off again. Right, so speech bubble right. Right, alright. Class is speech bubble right. m.message. Alright, well, doesn't look that good. Obviously, I suppose I'm gonna try other ones. See, so you can see that I didn't actually like test it out because I just wanna wait when I record and then test it out. But clearly, I failed that part. Let's see. Okay, we're just gonna use this. Alright, let's see what the CSS is. Okay, let's use this. I really want to use a speech bubble, but if it doesn't cooperate with me, okay, you know what? I don't want to do the speech bubble then. I suppose then what I can say is this. So I want to make this entire thing float toward the right. Actually, float left. I don't know how would this work, to be honest. Don't have to use this. As long as we can see some differences between the position. Yep, that's something I wanted. Something like that, but let's give a padding 10 pixel. Oh, never mind. Yep, I'm gonna think about how can I do that. Anyway, let's see. Move to the left and right. That's pretty accurate. I don't get it. So I don't like CSS because the stuff can get, it doesn't really have any logic in them. Hard to remember. Alright, you know what? We're just gonna give it some margin. Alright. Don't really move anything particularly. Okay, there it go, moves. Oops, that's not what I intended to do. Let's say 75%. Yeah, you know what? I'm not gonna bother with it right now. Position is kind of complicated. Okay, but in here, we're gonna say m. Okay, gonna get profile dot name. So if, okay, let's see. Hello blogger, all right, and then here this will have request.user. I also need a profile for this user. So profile 1. This is the candidate's profile, and then profile 2. This is gonna be the employer's profile. where? So this is gonna be profile 2.name, or this could be profile 1.name. Let's move it around. There's me. I can also add the timestamp right before it. Let's make you, yeah, let's say both should be good enough. So this is a format. Let's go ahead and implement the job seeker side. So in here we can say let's see. So as well, we're just gonna say okay, we might need to derive a little bit. So let's see. Need to go to employer. Employers will be .py. Okay, 1 second. Let's take a look. Let's do a quick fix here. App ID. Okay, let's think about how can we handle this. How would a you know what? We're gonna also accept an application ID here. Um. A profile. Okay. All right. Looks good. Let's see. So now it's gonna. So let's go ahead and add the URL .py here. So in here we're gonna say chat with a app ID here, and then I'm gonna say views chat. Good. Okay, well that's not what I intention. So think it will do, to be honest. Alright, so this is employer. This is a job seeker side. So in here should be doing something like this. Okay, let me go to here, chat. Okay. Okay. Equals to profile then. Right, there is no admin apply to blogger, admin is profile 1. Okay, I'm a little bit confused now based on my conditions. You have m.fromID. If it's not equals to, then it's profile 2, then that's employer, otherwise profile 1. But Torino, I don't think it's working. Okay, let's take a look at the HTML. Oh, okay. I know why now. It's a dashboard chat.html. Alright, takes a while, but we figure it out. Alright, there we go. Okay. So let's go to profile.name. Send a message to, okay, let's fix the employer. Let's go to job. Where's the job? Jobs. God. It's going to be interesting. Employer. Okay, let's go ahead and set profile 1. So send a message to admin, send a message to DevWithMe. Alright, let's just say, okay, let's fix this dashboard. Let's take a look at the dashboard views just to make sure this application makes sense. Yeah, I think it makes a lot of sense. Alright, let's just say hello Dear boss, when can I work for you and get paid? Thanks. Okay, so the div, what we need to do is maybe add a BR between them as well. So let's do the two chat. The BR here, BR here. Alright, I was thinking how to integrate socket, but I don't know. Let's copy this, but replace it to profile one. Okay, I don't think I'll do the get the backslash n and stuff like that. So like new lines, but it's not that big of a deal. What happened? Let me just slash br here. Right. Okay, that's like the little chat feature. What I would like to do though is maybe reload every minute or something. So in here, I'm gonna say this page will automatically reload every, let's say 5 minutes, to ensure you get the most recent messages sent. Oops, that's not what I intend to do. All right. So what we can have is in here, I can have a script. Let's say just window, no, set timeout, yeah. Let me just take a look. Okay. All right, set timeout. So window dot reload. Okay, let's just say if it reload every 3 seconds, so you don't have to wait that long. Yeah, I don't think it works. Let's double check. Double check to see what's wrong. Doesn't even have the script. I did the dashboard. Oh, it's employer. Okay, never mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Window the real is not a function. Okay, how to reload the page in JavaScript. Okay, I think it's location.reload. Yeah. Yep, works reload. Alright, but the only difference is gonna be 5 minutes. So 20,000 millisecond. And let's put it in the chat HTML as well. Put it right here. All right, so that's the chat feature where they can chat to each other. So that's gonna be it for this video. I don't know the length, maybe a little bit shorter than usual. But then what I'm gonna do is invite this Ken to interview. We're gonna implement this, and what's gonna happen is we're gonna use Zoom's API to create a meeting. All right, we're gonna use a Zoom's API to create a meeting, and then we can take a look see how that works. And then we might also implement the email feature because we want to make sure all these programs is being sent to the email so they can also receive notifications. But until that, thanks for watching with this videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment down below. I will read and comment to most of the comments, so feel free to comment down below because I will make sure I will read them and comment back. Alright? So thanks for watching this videos. Stay safe. Happy New Year. Have a nice day. DevWithMe out.